a button. Dish, tuned into you.
I'm proud of what the Weather Channel is. It's a place you can turn to and trust.
Our team's taking you into the storm with live reports and expertise you won't get anywhere else.
We are meteorologists, and that makes a tremendous difference.
When it comes to a weather situation that warrants attention, we're the place to go. It's that simple. What makes me a weather geek, the fact that I love the weather, especially when it's hit me in the side of the face.
I'm gonna ride this one out, guys.
Be one of the thousands of weather geeks out there at weloveweather.tv.
Welcome back, everyone, to Weather Underground. So just a couple of minutes ago, we showed you and teased you a little bit that we had some snow there around the Great Lakes. Tom here with a little bit more detail on how much is coming. And for some of us, it's accumulating snow.
It's going to be significant. This is an amazing picture because you can see the circulation with the surface low and the upper low back here. The cold air is with the upper level low. And again, temperatures just cold enough now to start that process. And so it is beginning to snow, and it will continue to throughout the night here. And look at how it blossoms to the south of Lake Erie here and then down into the Appalachians, where we get a little bit more elevation to help us with that cold. This continues as we go into tomorrow morning and early afternoon, and then it really breaks apart as the system moves pretty rapidly off toward the Canadian Maritimes. But if we take a look at the snowfall here again, it's going to be confined the heaviest to the higher elevations here south of Buffalo and then down along the Appalachians. It will snow elsewhere as much as 3 to 4 or 5 inches of snow, but because the ground temperatures are so warm, a lot of that will melt away. At higher elevations, however, this is significant. This is an April event. It will be shovelable snow outside of Buffalo, down toward Erie, and then certainly along the Appalachians.
We're going to talk a little bit more about elevation's influence on this snow coming up with you in just a little bit, Tom. But for a lot of folks, Alex, it's just been a shock to the system because we've been so warm. Now we go back to winter.
You betcha. And we want to get a little personal with a personal weather station owner to talk about that. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Jeff Blazinski, joining us from Dublin, Ohio. Don't do that. Oh, thank goodness. For a second there, I thought we weren't going to get you, Jeff. But you're here. You've got your sunglasses, your puffy hat. You look great.
That was close. That was cutting it about as close as I could possibly cut it. Man, how's everyone doing there?
Oh, we're doing great. The question is, how are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. As you can tell by what I'm wearing, it's very confusing here. We've had a lot of ups and downs with the weather. Right now, I can tell you this is feeling pretty warm.
You're feeling warm.
Yeah, I think that I could go outside now, but I shouldn't be wearing this in the house.
Well, the scarf, I mean, it's got a, you're definitely overheated. What is the temperature out there?
My goodness, I think right now we're looking at 39 degrees. It has been dropping all day.
So
39
Jeff,
degrees now.
Let's be real here for a second, right? You just saw Tom's forecast. You guys were in the mid-70s yesterday, and now you're looking at a chance of some snow tonight.
Yeah, and that's why I broke out the winter gear. Now I am getting a bit warm here. Let me. This is a modification to the hat app. Let me take care of this here real quick. Just push this button here, and things should miraculously fly off of me. This is technology, guys. Oh man, that is not working. We worked this out a lot better earlier. Guys, man, that was...
You need a new app.
And I'm not sure how much time we've got, but I'm telling you, I told you that I gave you the shot of the daffodils last time, right?
Right.
So those have grown.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Very nice. You're about to get some snow on those daffodils, my friend. I'm sorry. I apologize for that.
I'm telling you, the tulips aren't all that far behind.
Goodness gracious. All right, Jeff. He's got his whole garden here.
Oh my God.
Guys.
You're a mess. Jeff, thank you so much. Enjoy the snow tonight, my friend. At least you're dressed for it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Right. Thanks, Jeff.
At this point, do you just turn the camera around and ask to see his entire spread?
I think so.
I mean, you mentioned you grow blueberries, but I mean, he had it all.
He had
his
Mr.
tulips,
Gardner. And
his
by the way,
daffodils.
welcome to live TV, Jeff.
Right? So, been there.
Hey, we're going to get snow much further south in the Appalachians, all the way down close to the Georgia-Tennessee border. A lot of that has to do with the height of these mountains here. And at these kind of heights above 6,000 feet, temperatures actually dropping down toward the 20-degree mark and into the teens. That upslope up on the west side of the Appalachians, the moisture that's left in this air mass is going to condense out in the form of snowfall. And as a result of that, we are going to get significant snows all the way down to Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
It's going to be a cold one at Dollywood.
You got it.
Snow at Dollywood? Yo.
I'll never find a safe used car.